Hello friends, and welcome back. Today, we're focusing on action verbs, those dynamic words that show what's happening. In this video, we'll explore various action verbs and see how to use them in sentences effectively. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started and continue improving our English together. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am tying my shoes. I am tying my shoes. I am exercising in the gym. I am exercising in the gym. I am folding my clothes. I am folding my clothes. I am looking out the window. I am looking out the window. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. He is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. He is brushing his hair. He is brushing his hair. He is resting on the couch. He is resting on the couch. He is playing the piano. He is playing the piano. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. She is playing basketball. She is playing basketball. She is playing the violin. She is playing the violin. She is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. They are playing video games. They are playing video games. They are working on a project. They are working on a project. They are laughing at a joke. They are laughing at a joke. We are eating at the restaurant. We are eating at the restaurant. You are reading quietly. You are reading quietly. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found today's lesson on action verbs helpful, and that you're feeling more confident using them in your sentences. Remember, practicing regularly is key to mastering these verbs and improving your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and take care. Goodbye. For now.